Okay, guys, let's talk about the velocity equation. Now, when we're looking at this, we see that our velocity is going to equal our distance all over our time. Okay, we can also say that our velocity equals displacement all over time if we're moving in a straight line going backwards and forwards. What we're looking at, the main things we need to know about velocity, number one is how to manipulate the equation. Okay, so with this equation, we can solve for velocity, and we just take our meters, which that's what our distance will be in, and then our time standard unit should be seconds. Okay, so we just go our meters divided by our seconds. Now, we can also solve for, algebraically, if we want to solve for distance, all we have to do is multiply these two variables here. Okay, and we get that our distance is going to equal our velocity times our time. Okay, so we can solve for distance that way. Now we can also solve for our time in this equation as well. And remember, if we're looking at our equation, we have velocity equals our distance all over time. If we want to solve for the denominator, all we have to do is we have to switch it out with what's beside it. So all we have to do in this one is just switch it out, and what we'll see is we'll get time equals our distance all divided by our velocity.